Throughout our country, many Americans face religion-based restrictions on healthcare. And that happens far too often. It happens when patients are least expecting it to. When a patient gets to a clinic or hospital during a medical emergency only to find out that they are denied care because of someone else's personal religious beliefs. Which is not only just wrong, it is also unethical. But religious-based healthcare or organizations, they don't really value you. And sometimes this discrimination is actually even more insidious and intentional. Religious hospitals and doctors deny necessary care. However, they're not going to tell you that, really. As an example, a hospital may not inform a pregnant patient that she needs an emergency abortion until her life is at serious risk. Or a health system may not tell a survivor of rape that emergency contraception is available. And that's intentional. Within this week, Colorado and Florida lawmakers introduced healthcare transparency bills. In Florida, HB 907 and SB 894, and in Colorado, House Bill 1218, to ensure that patients are informed as they should be when care is denied, which it shouldn't be. This legislation is needed. These bills are going to ensure that when hospitals and health systems deny care, they have to inform the patient first, which they should automatically do, but because of their religious beliefs, they do not. And it is a needed step in the right direction. Religiously motivated denial of necessary healthcare is not acceptable in any country, in any system. And it needs to be stopped one state at a time. And while this is being worked on, and to pass the legislation that would help protect our rights as atheists, as you can predictably guess, Christian nationalists and their lawmaker allies, well, not allies, really, puppets, are doing exactly the opposite, as predicted they would. And one of the leading and most dangerous figures in the Christian nationalist movement is former Arkansas State Senator Jason Rapert. His organization, the National Association of Christian Lawmakers, is crystal clear about its intentions. And they're pure evil. Don't believe anything they say. They're purely evil. Their intentions are pushing biblical legislation seeking to end abortion, discriminate against LGBTQ people, and advance theistic supremacy, well, specifically Christian supremacy. He isn't just a thin-skinned bully who cost Arkansas taxpayers tens of thousands of dollars after he illegally retaliated against atheist constituents who dared to criticize him. While his views are extreme and his rhetoric is outrageous, he is sadly not some marginal figure. And he and his organization, and any and all things they sponsor, need to be stopped. Whether it's dangerous laws like Texas's abortion bounty bill, legislation banning all gender-affirming care for trans people, or attacks on our secular public education system, his group's not going to stop. His group is in the middle of it all. And people like him and the total of over 1,100 dangerous bills that they sponsor across the country are threats we face, and they're not going to go anywhere. We have to stop these people.